everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today I'm going to be showing you all the places that people always forget to clean when they are deep cleaning their kitchen. So we're going to start off with the kitchen sink. So normally some people just give it a quick clean every now and then, or some people do a monthly clean, but I would advise you to just clean it every single day if you can after washing dishes, just to avoid any buildups and bacteria and germs just growing there. So if you can, clean it every single day, but give it a deep clean maybe once or twice a week. This is like a thorough deep clean, which is the pink stuff or whatever cleaning products that you prefer to use. I always use the pink stuff. That just ensures everything is clean and it leaves the sink looking nice and shiny. Or I would say twice a week, give it a deep thorough clean. I know some people use bleach their sinks every single night. I'm not sure how well that works for them, but I just do a twice a week deep clean. Another place that people forget is behind appliances. To just move around the appliances that you have, just clean behind there, and also the wall itself. That does also collect a lot of buildup. So any oils that could be spilt and any buildup of dust and stuff like that just easily gets collected behind on the wall itself and the tiles. So just make sure you give those a clean if you can every single week. Just move around the appliances and just use washing up liquid. Something simple like that also works very well. Like I mentioned, you move appliances, but also if you've got any food or anything like laying around the worktops, just move them, give it a clean, especially the surfaces as well. So here I'm actually using elbow grease, a scrubbing brush and washing up liquid. It also works very well, as you can see, on the microwave. That's also a place that people forget. Sometimes you clean inside the microwave itself, but people forget the outside. Sometimes we touch the microwave with food on our hands, and then we just leave these marks all over it. So just ensure you clean your microwave as well, especially on the outside as well as the inside. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. I do videos every single week. I try to upload twice a week, and if you're looking for cleaning motivation, this is the place for you. And that's it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more content, look on the top right hand corner over here for more cleaning motivational videos. That's it. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Bye.